when like data science was new and not many people were aware of the field because it was just getting started. And so I guess it was easy for you to transition to that field.
Yeah, it was quite easy. And in fact, how I got a data science job, because initially when I was in college, I was working on a side project, and that side project that
Mm.
involved using analysis of data. And we published a booklet. At that time, we thought that we are publishing a full-fledged book, but we can more call it a booklet. It was a 130-page
Right.
document. It contained crop patterns and certain other social things that were going on in India. So I showcased that in my resume and went for the interview. And I was very fortunate that the director of farm, Abhishek, and Sarwan Portner's from Sutra, they selected for that role. And that's how I got started. And basically, to tell you about the transitioning process, it was quite good because Sutra Management, it's a small company. And the benefit you get with a small company is that you get a accelerated learning curve, right? So the project is just a very small team doing the project, and you have to pick
Mhm.
up all the parts to be good at the job. So that's how, yeah, it was
So,
fun and was easy too.
mhm, right. Yeah. And then how did you, so very first job, because you didn't have a background in computer science, I'm guessing a lot of programming and all that stuff, you picked it up along the way, like you're a self-taught data scientist, I'm guessing. So how easy was it on your first job to actually work on a project? And were you a little bit nervous about, how are you going to do it?
Yeah, it wasn't easy. I'll tell you like the whole story. That was a COVID duration when I got started with my career. It was 2020. And I was supposed to join the company in the April or May month, but that got delayed to around August. And that is when I actually started to learn. So I completed my SAS certification. If some people would not know, SAS is a very well-known platform for data
Mhm.
science, and all of the big data companies, almost everyone has some kind of SAS access. And there I got my certification. So that was the introduction into programming, how we do SQL, how we write SAS program to do different kind of data analysis. So it was like around 3 to 4 months of my self study that I did prior to starting my first job. That really helped me in the job. And then the colleagues who were there in the job, they were also very knowledgeable, very supportive type of people. And it was a very hands-on environment. I would say accelerated learning. Only that has been a benefit to my career. But yeah,
Mhm.
more or less it's a self-learned, self-taught in that way only.